Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Now TV box not working, no signal apps and remote fixes. Fix 1. Power cycle the device. First of all, you have to unplug the cable from the back of the Now TV box or stick. Unplug your internet router from the wall outlet and wait exactly 2 minutes. Plug the router back in and wait for the internet lights to turn green. Plug the Now TV device back into the power source. Fix 2. Fix the remote control. Remove the batteries from the remote. Then unplug the Now TV box stick from the power source for 5 seconds. Plug the Now TV box stick back in and wait for the home screen to load. Insert AAA batteries into the remote. Hold the small pairing button inside the battery compartment for 3 seconds until the light flashes. Fix 3. Clear the device cache. Press the home button on your remote 5 times. Press up arrow button 1 time. Press rewind button 2 times. Press fast forward button 2 times. Wait 30 seconds for a screen to freeze and go blank. The device will restart automatically. Fix 4. HDMI and black screen issue. Unplug the HDMI cable from the both Now TV box and TV. Blow gently into the port to remove dust. Plug the cable back into the different HDMI port on your TV. Switch your TV input source to match the new HDMI port number. Fix 5. Complete a factory reset. Leave the device plugged into a power source. Locate the physical reset button on the side of the smart stick or a small pinhole on the back of the box. Press and hold the reset button firmly for 30 seconds. Release the button and allow the device to reboot. Thanks for watching.